Disclaimer: these are my rules, not the rules. Use it, improve it, or trash it. Tip 10. Visual aids. When it comes to plugins, most of them offer some kind of visual display. It could be a spectrum, histogram, color bars, or even word signs. All this creates a response when we interact with the different knobs adjusting parameters. The common case is the equalizer, compressor, or limiter. But in today, most of the processors add some kind of help. In our brain, the vision is leading the decision, forcing our sound perception to follow. That's exactly the opposite to what the music is meant for. The most you rely and solve with visual aids, the less your ears are trained. Back in the day, an equalizer had nothing more than a range of numbers: frequency, gain, Q. At that point, there was no way to work them by using the sound perception while tweaking the knobs. In today, we have plenty of emulation plug-ins to play with. They recreate what a vintage processor looks like with nothing more than knobs, no visual feedback at all. It's a long learning process, but your music will sound better, and that decision will be generated by your ears.